Hi, my name is Zaeem. I'm the owner of Tint World Burlington. We're at 2279 Fairview Street. We've been open for 4 months at this point. Before I owned Tint World, I was in the Canadian wealth management industry for, at this point, 10 years, give or take. And getting into this particular franchise was a bit more of a passion and a labor of love. This is something I enjoy doing. My entire team, we love doing what we do. I was generally just looking for a business opportunity. I looked into home renovations, kitchens, even TV, entertainment style businesses, and I've always loved cars. I came across Tint World, did some poking around, did some research, looked at the different locations, hopped onto YouTube, the website, and so on, and from there it was a very easy decision to make that this would be the line of work that I'd get up every morning and not worry that, oh my God, I have to go to work. It would be more like, hey, I'm going to work. We're gonna have fun today. We're gonna work on some fun cars, and it's just gonna be a blast. When I first saw Tint World, my first instinct was, hey, it's a tinting company. And then you get into it and you realize that, okay, you know what? They do a lot more than that. And that's the same message that I try to get across to all of our customers, that yes, we are called Tint World. We specialize in tint, but at the same time, we excel in a lot of other areas. So we've got a team of 6 people, from our sales coordinator out front to our lead paint protection film installer, as well as our window tint specialist, including our 12-volt gentleman on our side. It's not just about somebody being able to do the job. You want someone on your team who customer walks in, greets them with open arms. And at the end of the day, you're only as successful as the crew you have. In our case, everybody works together. We have a lot of fun.
Honestly, I like working here because it's more of like a family environment. Everybody gets along very well. Everyone's easy to get along with, and that's what makes it easy to work here, so I enjoy it.
And people often ask me, they're like, you're part of a franchise. Aren't they like all corporate and stuff? Even my father was hesitant. He's like, you're getting into a franchise. What is wrong with you? And my first reaction was, Charles is an amazing man. Like, there's no doubt about that. I've had times where on a Sunday, I've texted Charles with a question, he answers. I call him after hours, he picks up the phone, and at this point, he's like, hey, Zaeem, how's it going, right? So it's not so much of a corporate type franchise. It's really more of a friends and family style business. Amongst the GTA community of Tint World, my first interaction was with Rob from the Pickering store, and also got the chance to hang out a little bit with Antrix from the Mississauga store. Great guy, and that's essentially it. It's a very similar mindset and a very similar culture that's reflected across all the different locations. Long-term plan, I've had a lot of fun with this particular franchise. So far, we're doing well. We've got a lot of happy customers. We have the opportunity to work on a lot of cool projects, and we want to continue that and make ourselves available to the rest of the GTA community, not just Burlington, and ultimately set a standard for what Tint World can deliver.